How to buy Spotify Premium. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video of 1-2 Step. If you also want to get the benefits of using the premium version of Spotify, in this video let me show you how you can purchase or buy the Spotify Premium version. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick to this video till the end and let's get right into it. Now either you can use the website of Spotify through your desktops, or you can also use the app of Spotify. For this video we're going to use the app. So first of all, open up your Spotify app, and on the bottom right you'll have an option of premium. Tap on the premium option and you can see some of the benefits of getting the premium version of Spotify. You can scroll down further and you can see different kinds of plans that are available. Before choosing your plan, make sure you take a look at the description and choose the plan that you want, and tap on try 1 month free because you don't need to pay for the first month. The first month you try to join, it's gonna be free, so just tap on try 1 month free and it's gonna take you to the payment section where you can choose your payment method. Now here you can see there are a couple of methods that you can pay. The first one is Spotify, which means you can use your cards or your PayPal account, or if you tap on Google Pay, you can pay using your Google Play. So pick the one that you want and tap on continue, and again choose your payment method depending upon which option you choose. If you choose the Spotify option, you can choose between PayPal and credit or debit card. Enter in your card details and then tap on buy now, and your 1 month free trial will start, and you'll only get charged on this date right here. You won't get charged immediately because there is 1 month free trial. So that's how you can buy Spotify Premium. Be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. If you want more videos just like this, make sure to turn on the notifications so you get notified for more interesting videos. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.